kind of weird to think about your blood being pressurized, but blood pressure is literally just a measure of how much force your blood applies to the walls of your veins and arteries. Blood pressure gauges are called sphygmomanometers. Technically, I think it's pronounced sphygmomanometer, but I like saying sphygmomanometer better. They say that ideal blood pressure is between 90/60 and 120/80 millimeters of mercury. But what do those numbers even mean, and why are there two of them? So each time your heart pumps, it creates a surge of pressure in your blood that keeps it circulating. And the pressure that occurs at the height of each pump is called systolic pressure, and that's the larger number up there. But in between pumps, your blood pressure lowers a little bit, and that's the smaller number called diastolic pressure. But this is what I think is the really cool part. During a blood pressure reading, the doctor uses a stethoscope to actually listen to your blood flowing through your veins. What they do is they pump the pump to fill the cuff full of air until it applies enough pressure that all blood flow is impeded. And then they slowly release pressure while listening until they can just barely hear the blood flowing through your veins with a stethoscope. When they hear it, they check the pressure gauge next to the cuff, and that's your systolic pressure. Then they keep releasing pressure on the cuff, and when they can no longer hear your blood flow, that means that it's moving through your veins unimpeded, and that's your diastolic pressure. Electronic sphygmomanometers work by a similar principle. Instead of a doctor listening to your blood flow, the cuff has an internal pressure gauge that feels the pressure oscillations while your blood flow is impeded by the cuff. Thank you for watching. Me and my community here are trying to help raise fundage to help save Amir and his family, and if you could help at any way at all, I'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you.